Check out these insanely cool 3D animated crypto coins you can add to your Framer website with zero code. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create them step by step, and stick around till the end and I'll show you how to get your hands on the full crypto coin pack for yourself. So in your Framer project, we're going to start by going to Assets, down to Components, and create a new component, which I'm going to call Crypto Coin. Then press Create. And I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here. Now we're going to go up to Insert, scroll down to Shaders, and under Logo, we're going to select this shader here, which is called Logo Spectrum. Now simply drag that into your canvas, and I'm just going to reposition that to fit. Now if we scroll down on our right menu here to Image, we're going to open that up, and here is where you can select your coin image. So select Choose Image, and make sure to use an SVG for the highest quality results. So I'm just going to select this Bitcoin SVG here and open that up. And as you can see, it's going to apply that shader to our image. And I'm just going to change the color by changing the surface hex value here. So I'm just going to choose something maybe like this orange, something like this. And you can also adjust a bunch of other settings down here, like the angle. So we can adjust the angle of the light here, the sweep. So this is kind of how much it rotates around your shape. The density, so that's how many sort of light beams are shown. The glow, so that's the glow around the edges of your image. The deflection, as well as distort. So if I turn this on, you can see it gets a little bit crazy. So we're not going to do that, we're just going to leave that to no. And there's some other shape settings you can adjust here. But that looks good to me, so I'm just going to leave that for now. So next up, we're going to create our animation. So this sort of floating, rotating animation that we want to add to it. So we're going to open up our layers. First off, I'm just going to rename this top layer to Container. And while we've got that selected, if we scroll down, we just want to make sure to remove the fill from that layer. Cool. So now go back and select your logo spectrum layer or your shader layer. And we are going to scroll up to Effects. So click this and we're going to add a loop effect. So here we're just going to change the type to mirror. And next to rotate, we're going to select 3D and make sure to remove the Z value. So I'm going to set that to 0. And so to begin, we're going to create this up and down motion. So we can do that by adjusting the offset. So I'm going to set this to -15. And now if we select our container and press play, you can see we have this up and down looping animation. So next up, we want to create this little bit of a 3D tilt side by side. So again, select your logo layer, scroll down, and we're going to scroll to transform. And we're going to add a rotate. We're going to have that set to 3D. We're also going to add perspective, which I'm going to set to 800. And we are also going to add preserve 3D. And now we can adjust the Y value here to adjust our shape sort of left and right. So I'm going to have this set to around 22. So just a little bit of a tilt. And now if we scroll back up to our effect, open that up, we can adjust the Y value in here. So I'm going to have this set to a -42. And as you can see, that's going to rotate our shape the opposite direction. So now again, select your container and we're going to preview that. And now we've got this cool hovering, but a little bit of tilt animation. So that's looking really good. But now we just want to adjust the timing of this effect. So select your logo layer, open up your effects, and next to transition is where we can adjust the timing. So I'm just going to set the time to 10 seconds. And we can also play around with the curve of our motion here, basically. So if you click and hold, I'm just going to give it a slight curve. And what this is going to do is basically create a little bit of dynamic motion. So it's a little bit slower on the ends and a little bit faster in the middle. So now let's go and preview that. And that is looking a lot better. So now that's ready for us to add that into our project. So let's go back to our pages, and I'm just going to create a new page. I've got the background set to black. Now go across to your assets and we can drag in our crypto coin. So now when I press play, we've got this 3D animated crypto coin. So you can create all of this for yourself for free inside of Framer. So I'll leave the link for that in the description below. You can also grab the full set of crypto animated coins, including the editable component, 18 preloaded crypto coins, as well as all of the original SVG files, and I'll leave that link in the description below. For more design tutorials and tips, just hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.